You are not going to believe these lemon rosemary roasted potatoes. They are so delicious and really easy. You just roast these little red potatoes with a lemon that you've cut in half, cut side down on the baking sheet along with potatoes. And when you bring it out of the oven, you squeeze those lemon juices over, and then get this, you snip up the rest of that lemon, which has gotten very sweet by now, into little tiny bits and mix it all together with the potatoes. You've got rosemary, olive oil, and a decent amount of salt. And they are so amazingly tasty. You're gonna wanna give this a try for sure. First, you want to cut these potatoes in bite-sized pieces and then put this on a baking sheet with the lemon cut side down along with the rosemary, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Once they're roasted, they come out of the oven and you squeeze that lemon juice over the potatoes and then snip your lemon into little tiny pieces and mix it all together once again. Really good.